Kristen here, and welcome back to the vlog. This is actually my second vlog that I will be doing, but I was going to do a little bit of cleaning, and I thought, hey, I could bring you guys along with me and do a cleaning vlog with you all and give you guys some cleaning motivation. This online where you create a cleaning schedule. I have just a general one planned out, but I made a more specific one so I can walk you guys through a little bit what that looks like. I'll be focusing on the daily and weekly tasks in this vlog, but come along with me and do some cleaning. I kind of enjoy the cleaning process sometimes. Sometimes I hate cleaning. I kind of have to be in the mood for it. But something that's definitely helped is having a cleaning schedule and routine, as well as minimizing, decluttering, having less things, because that gives me the ability to spend less time cleaning because I have less inventory, less things to keep track of, less things to clean, take care of. That's part of the reason why I embarked on this minimalist journey, is because I'm not a huge cleaner, but this has definitely helped a lot in that process. The other thing I'm going to be doing is I'm probably going to be listening to some sort of cleaning playlist on Spotify or some sort of podcast, but that definitely helps to keep me motivated. So that's my recommendation, is if you're cleaning and you're not really in the mood for it, watch a YouTube video or listen to some music or your favorite podcast. I would be cleaning on a Saturday. That's kind of my cleaning day. I don't actually clean on Sunday. That's my rest day, my Sabbath day. I use that as a time to just relax. It's a new boundary that I've set for myself because I tend to fall into the routine of like grinding and doing things, and then I'm not taking a break and finding time to rest. So what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to be making my bed, washing the dishes, scrubbing the sink, wiping off counters, vacuuming, and putting my clothes away. So those are my daily tasks. And then my weekly tasks: dusting the furniture, vacuuming my couch, scrubbing the toilet, and watering my plants. I'm going to start off my vlog by vacuuming my apartment. I believe my vacuum is the Dyson V8. It was like one of the first Dysons that came out, and I've really enjoyed it. I actually used to hate vacuuming. It used to be my least favorite chore, but since switching over to a cordless vacuum that's a lot less like noisy, it's pretty quiet and it's cordless, very lightweight, easy to vacuum with. It rotates pretty easily, goes underneath most of my furniture. So I just love that aspect of it. When I was younger, I used to hate vacuuming because it was super noisy. The cord would always get in my way. So I guess that's my other tip, is consider different options in terms of products that you're using. That might make the cleaning process a little bit easier, a little bit more fun. I know for myself, even using like cleaners that are safe and aren't going to be harmful to my body also makes me more motivated to clean, because I know that I'm using products that I trust and that are not going to be harmful for me or anybody else that's in my apartment. Further ado, let's do some cleaning. I'm gonna go grab my Dyson and I'm gonna get started.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back.
Hey everybody, so I got done vacuuming, but I need to vacuum my couch yet. So I'm gonna put this attachment on to my Dyson and I'm gonna vacuum my couch quick.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something.
So next I'm gonna actually be dusting our TV stand here, and then dusting any end tables. Come along with me and let's do some dusting.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Clothes away. I recently thrifted some clothes for the 4th of July, so I'm gonna put those in my closet, and then I'm also going to be making my bed. So come along with me and let's get that done.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
So thus far I have vacuumed my entire apartment. I've vacuumed my couch and cleaned that off. I've dusted, I've made my bed, and I put all my clothes away. So let's see here. I have a few more things to check off my list, but we're about halfway done. So come along with me. Let's keep at it. You got this. So next, we're in my bathroom. As you can see, I'm sorry if the lighting's horrible, but I'm going to be cleaning the toilet first. So come along with me.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time.
Well, I got everything in my kitchen cleaned off, and then I also need to water my plants. That's the last thing on my list. So yeah, let's water plants together.
Caught behind Benicia.
All 10 of my tasks have been completed. Enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And it is a beautiful day to simplify. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me. Have a beautiful rest of your week, and I will see you guys in the next one.